What's up, guys? Welcome back to Piggy Garage. Today I'm doing a maintenance wash on a GT3RS. This is probably the easiest wash that you could do just because of the car being ceramic coated. If your car is ceramic coated and you keep great care of the car, it's actually the easiest thing to wash, and I'm going to show you guys just how easy that is, and this will probably convince you guys to ceramic coat your car or put some type of protection layer on your car. Pretty much what I do is, for this car, since I keep it really meticulously cleaned, I go ahead and just find all the bug spots and spray them with bug release. Do it on the windshield, on the mirrors, and then you see this little black tar. This is from the wheels, or the tires, sorry. And I just go ahead and spray that on the whole car. Also on the back of the fender here, I spray that as well. Also from the exhaust, it leaves this black soot. I spray that as well. It really helps get between the paint and the dirt. As you can see, I did it over here as well. And I just let that sit. I let that sit for about 30 to 40 seconds. This is my pre-wash. I let that sit, and then what I do is I use my pressure washer. This is, you guys have probably seen it enough. If you're new to the channel, link to all my setups are in the description below. I also make videos on all this stuff. Water filter, MTM foam cannon, MTM stainless steel gun, 40-degree wand, yada yada yada. You guys can check out other videos on that. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just literally going to spray the car down. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the MTM foam cannon, fill it with probably 2 pumps of snow foam, 2 pumps of Glossworks, and literally just wash that off the car, and the car will look just as good as it first did. Actually, I'm going to throw a little bit of carpro reset in the foamer, just to reactivate the ceramic coating properties. This car does have a clear brow on the whole front of the car, and everything was coated with carpro finest, which is the top level of coating that carpro does. So yeah, I'm going to just go ahead and put this attachment on. See that the coat on this car is still like the first day it was done. That's just because it's been meticulously taken care of, always cleaned, always maintenance washed in this method, and really rejuvenates the coating to where you don't actually even have to touch the car a single time that you wash it. It's always just a hands-free wash and dried with a blower. So I'm gonna go ahead, rinse this whole car down. Pressure washer. Alright, move the pressure washer. Ceramic brakes is there's not a lot of brake dust ever. It's probably the best thing about them. Also, you don't have to clean it. Alright guys, so I rinsed the whole car down. As you can see, pretty much, actually, I took everything off. I probably don't even need to hit it with the foam cannon, but I kind of enjoy just using the foam cannon. But you can see the car is spotless. You literally just wash it off. But I'm just going to rejuvenate the coating a little bit. In the foamer, I have carpro reset. Probably about 1 ounce of that, 2 ounces of snow foam, and 2 ounces of Glossworks. This will help, just pretty much just look good. It helps lubricate the car if you're going to wash it, but this will just get any extra dust and debris off the car. I'm just going to foam it up and then wash it back down. But this is my favorite part. This is an MTM foam cannon. What helps with making the big foam is I have a 1.1 millimeter orifice in this thing. That helps produce more foam. The water filter helps produce more foam, and gallons per minute of a pressure washer helps also. So let me undo my wand. There we go. All right, so now the fun part. I absolutely love foaming a car. Alright guys, so the car is completely foamed. Now what I'm going to do is just rinse it down. Alright guys, so now the car is fully, oh, nice little mosquito. Yep, take that, buddy. Now the car is fully washed off. All the snow foam is off the car now. I'm just going to use this, let's call it a blaster sidekick. The entire car. It's pretty quick, takes about 5 minutes. You can also use a big leaf blower. It's just this is a lot lighter, and I think it works a little bit better. It is a little bit harder because it's like really meant for just the wheels, but I like using the whole car. But yeah, guys, hopefully now you guys see that a ceramic coating and proper maintenance on a ceramic coated car literally saves you so much time and hassle, to where you can literally wash your car off from a day cruise in just a couple minutes. I honestly went that extra step, foaming the car up, but I just wanted to reset the coating a little bit. You don't have to do that every time, but if you just need a maintenance wash, you can honestly, if it was coated properly, you can just rinse it down, rinse the bugs right off. Yeah, guys, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. Like I said, all the products that I used in this video will be in the description. Hopefully you guys like this, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Thanks for checking out the channel. I hope you all are staying safe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks so much for your time, and God bless.